Environments. Environments is one of the features which is available in the Uipath Orchestrator. So what is exactly? Environment is nothing but a group of robots. We can connect as many as robots to the particular environment to avoid the further version problems. So let's see how we can do that into the orchestrator. So I opened the orchestrator. You just need to click on the environment. So you want to create any environment. So here you need to click on the add and you can give any name. So I'll give the test demo. And description you can add anything about the environment. And you just need to click on the create. Once you do that, just you can go here and you can click here manage. So once you do, you are able to see the multiple robots available in your Uipath orchestrator. So you can select anyone to add the environment. So if you select my robot and update, so the environment will be added to particular that robot. And if you check here in the robot, you are able to see the test demo is added here in my robot, right? So you can edit also. You can edit this name as well. I think this option is disabled, or you can remove from here. So this is all about the environment.